Guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? I hope you are doing great. If you are new, my name is Lizzie. You are welcome to my channel. So today again is another DIY for mask. Doing egg face mask.
All I do is fall. Feels like I can make it more than I could bear. Giving up is all that I can surrender to you. Take me in your arms and hold me. With your love, find my rest and I can see you lead me. You make me hope again. Your love is all I ever need. Never knew this love can make my heart.
And I beat it so that everything we miss. Then I will be using brush to apply it all over my face.
No one else will fill my heart like you do. And there's no more fear.
After applying it, I have tissue paper here. Then I will just gum it.
And you're always near. There's nowhere I could be. All I need is you. Feels like I can make it more than I deserve. You gave all to me so I can come closer to you. Take me in your arms and hold me. With your love, find my rest and I can see you lead me. You make me hope again. Your love is all I ever need. Never knew this love can make my heart beat. You hold my world again. Your love is all I ever need. No one else will fill my heart like you do. You pull me out of deepest water.
So now it's very dry. It's time to take it off. Then I'll shower.
So I could feel my breath again. Whenever you will call my name, I will run to you. You give me strength to carry on. Pull me into you. You give my life again. You make me hope again.
So I'm going to shower now. Wow, my face so fresh. Like, I'm going to shower now. Then I can take this one off, the one, so that I don't have to stay here and be wasting time. What water is going to waste. So guys, I washed my face already and my face looks so smooth. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification. Anytime I upload a video,